In the last class, we already taken introduction. The equations of motions are very, very important. Yes, for solving of the kinematical problems. And why? Because the equations of motions are have the relation between a initial velocity, final velocity, and as well as the yes. Acceleration and time taken for it. Okay, these are all the relations are there in that. That is why we are compulsory how to know how we get the equations of motion first. Then we are going to discuss about that our yes equations of motions, how these are things are applied for our problem solving. Yes, now we are going to discuss about the equations of motion. Okay, now yes, and what is the use of that equations of motion? We are going to discuss. In the last class, already we are discussing what is the acceleration. Yes, what is the acceleration? Change of rate of velocity is only called the acceleration. Okay, here are all the students. Yes, first equation of motion. For the find of this one, we are taken our acceleration. Yes, formula. What is the acceleration? Acceleration is equal to v minus u by t. Okay, now change of rate of velocity. Here it is also written as v minus u is equal to what? A into t. Now, which implies v is equal to become what? U plus at. Okay, this is only called equation of motion. First equation of motion. And the second equation we are considered. The first equation is gives the information about the relation between velocity, acceleration, s, and time. Initial velocity, final velocity, acceleration, and as well as the time. These are the information that comes from the first equation of motion. Next, second equation of motion. Which one is called second equation of motion? The second equation of motion gives the relation between the traveling distance, initial velocity, time, and as well as the acceleration. We want to find out the traveling distance. We want to find out the distance traveled by the body. It is called what? It is called second equation of motion. Got it or not? It will find from the second equation of motion. How to find out it is second equation of motion here. Yeah, yes, you know very well. S is equal to ut plus half at square is called the second equation of motion. S is equal to ut plus half at square. This is the second equation of motion. How to find out it? For this purpose, we are take a traveling distance and as well as the initial velocity and as well as the final velocity. First, you have to take average velocity. What is the average velocity? Average velocity is equal to taken as average velocity is equal to taken as v plus by 2. Average velocity is equal. Got it or not? Now there will be also consider yes here what we consider v plus u by 2. Here what is v is equal to have here u plus at. Okay, clear or not? From first equation, what we have here from first equation, we have yes v plus u by 2. It is also written as average velocity is equal to also written as what it is v is equal to u plus at in plus u by yeah, u plus at plus u by 2. Okay, clear or not all the students? Now there is the average velocity. It is one of the velocity only na. That is why it is also written as distance by time. It is also written as what na? Distance by time. Okay, got it or not? It is also written as distance by time. Yes, you have to write average velocity is equal to what? Average velocity is equal to yes, distance by time. Okay, this is taken as somewhat average velocity value you have to substitute, which implies what it is s by t is equal to u plus at, yes, plus u by 2. Now s is equal to, take a cross multiplication. This 2 is goes to here. U plus at, yes, plus u, yes, into t by 2. Readable or what it is? Readable or what it is? Okay, now s is equal to taken as u into t, u into t plus at into t. It is become at square plus ut by 2. Got it or not? Now s is equal to taken as 2ut plus at square by 2. Got it or not? Now it is also written as, now it is also written as s is equal to 2ut by 2 plus at square by 2. Readable or not it is? Now there is a 2 cancel get each other. What is the final thing? Final thing is ut plus half at square. This is only the proof of our equations of motion. Got it or not? What is this? S is equal to ut plus half at square. Will get it or not? Yeah, this is a called equation of motion. Second equation of motion. Please note down first equation and as well as the second equation. Yeah, next. After this, third equation of motion. Yeah, third equation of motion is what? The given the relation between the acceleration, traveling distance, initial velocity, final velocity. Final velocity, initial velocity, yes, acceleration, and as well as the traveling distance. How to find out this equation? Yeah, for this equation purpose, you have to take here, yes, average velocity, and as well as the we are consider the t value from this. Okay, clear or not? Sorry, students, there is a what we have to find out. There is a relation between a V, U, and as well as the A and as well as the yes. And here there is a V is equal to taken as what for this purpose we have taken a what average velocity. It is taken as a what average velocity. Average velocity is equal to what V plus U by 2. We written already. Okay. And here this average velocity is also written as yes, what average velocity is also written as total distance by total time. Total distance by total time. Now, this is also written as S by T. Here, from these two equations, what we have to write? S by 2 is equal to V plus U by 2. Got it or not? Now, it is also written as S is equal to V plus U by T into what? T. Written or not? Yeah, it is possible to write. Now, next here, there is a what the formula we have from equation 1? V plus U is equal V is equal to U plus AT. What we have from first equation of motion? From first equation of motion, here what will we get here from first equation of motion? It will be written as, how right it is, V is equal to U plus AT. And then from this one, T is equal to written as V minus U is equal to AT. T is equal to V minus U by A. Written or not it is from this equation. Yes, written or not it is. From U is a come to here and denominator A will be get. Now there is in the place of T you have to substitute in this equation. Okay, clear or not? In S value, substitute T. Okay, clear or not? In S value, substitute T. Now, S is equal to taken as V plus U by 2. And what is the T? V minus U by A. Got it or not? Written or not? This is the place of T. I am substituted the T value. Now, it is also written as S is equal to, you have to make it V plus U into what? V minus U by 2A. Written or not it is? Yeah. And it is also written as 2AS is equal to V plus U into V minus U. Okay, clear or not it is? I hope you got it here. V plus U, T 2A, it will become to here. It will become to here. Got it or not? Now, then it is also written as 2AS is equal to V plus A into V minus U. V plus U into V minus U. It will become V square minus U square. V square minus U square. Got it or not? Yeah. Now, why? Because it is written as V square minus U square. You know where it is. A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. Already you have formula in mathematics. A plus B into A minus B is a what? A square minus B square. A plus B whole square. A minus B whole square. Formulas are there or not in the mathematics? A plus B whole square is a what? A square plus B square plus 2A. A minus B whole square is a what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Yes, that two are multiplied, that is become A square minus B square. Got it or not? Yeah, by using that we'll get it. Get it or not? B square minus C square is equal to what? 2AS. Okay, na? Yes, that is only. You have to write it on.
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, go to right side, sir.
Huh?
There is a formula, no, sir. That is not looking clearly.
One.
Move board.
This one.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Huh? Yeah, that is A plus B into. Please note down A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B is equal to this one. The formula is A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. Yes, looks the same now. B plus U into V minus U. In the place of A, B. In the place of B, U.
yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah, all the students, next to the fourth equations of motion. It is a very important fourth equations of motion, somewhat different it is. Looks here. Fourth equation of motion. Yeah, suppose we want to find out the body, how much distance is the travel. Yes, and it's a start with somewhat initial velocity. Suppose one car is a yes, or one man is started here at the point A, at the point B, at the point C, and the totally he traveled how much distance. We already have one formula S is equal to ut plus half a t square. In case E is somewhat a fourth second or a fifth second, yes, how much distance is traveled? Okay, now yes. For the finding of this purpose, you have to take nth value of Sn. How to find out here? Totally, yes, n minus 1 and as well as the n. Okay, now when you take here totals, we have taken n minus 1 to nth second. Okay, now yes, up to the fourth to third second, how much distance is the travel? In a fourth second, how much distance is the travel? Okay, that is become what? Sn. Okay, now the value for the finding of this value, we have to take a total distance traveled by the body in a n seconds. Okay, now minus n minus 1 seconds. That is a provide for us nth second. Got it or not? Total distance traveled in a total n seconds minus n minus 1 means what? Suppose 4 to second it will be required. Okay, now what we have to take? There is a total distance traveled by the body in a given total time interval minus you have to take here third second. At that time you get the how much travel it is in a fourth second. Okay, clear or not? Overall distance minus up to third seconds. As how much it's traveled at that time, what the traveling distance in that particular second only. Okay, that will be given for us. Okay, and for this purpose, just you write from using the second law of motion. Yes, so from second equation of motion. From second equation of motion. Yeah. What will we get from second equation of motion? Yeah, it will be get for us if m is equal to s is equal to what? Ut plus half at square. Yeah, in the place of t, you substitute n. Okay, what it will become? Un plus half into a n square. This is the one equation. Got it or not? Next, there is what we are consider n minus 1 second. Okay, now in the place of n, you have to substitute n minus 1. Yes, n minus 1 is equal to u into n minus 1 plus half into a into n minus 1 whole square. Got it or not? Yes, you substitute n minus 1 here in the place of n. There is a what here? T seconds. This information is given for what? T seconds. In the place of t, what you substituted? N seconds or n minus 1 seconds. Okay, now these values are substituted in this equation. Okay, now Sn and as well as Sn minus 1 is substitute in this equation. You'll get the S into 1. Okay, what do you get now? You have to substitute it first. what you have to take here? Sn comma Sn minus 1 values. Substitute in Sn. What will we get? Sn is equal to taken as what is the Sn value? That is the un plus half into a m square minus u into n minus 1 plus half into a n minus 1 square. Got it or not? Got it or not? This value only have to substitute. Now let's expand this equation. Un plus half an square minus here you get un. Okay now? Yes. And as well as u minus u. Got it or not? Minus u into n, u minus 1, u into minus 1. Next half into a. Okay now? N square a minus b whole square again. What it become? N square plus 1 minus 2 into n. Got it or not? Now it is equal to also taken as un plus half into an square. Yes, minus un minus u and minus into here minus half into a into n square plus 1 minus 2n. Got it up? Now again expand here. Un and minus un minus plus un. Cancel get each other or not? This is a plus un, this is a minus un. Cancel get each other. What is the remaining now? Half into an square. Yes, minus u we have and minus half into. It is written as an square or not? Minus 1 by 2 into 1. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. A by 2 it is. Minus a by 2. Minus 2an. 2an by 2. 2 cancel. Got it or what is the remaining here now? Minus of a square plus of a square. Got? Yes. What is the remaining here now? Check it. Minus u. Yes. Minus a by 2. Minus an. Got it or not? Yes. And here sorry, it is a minus into minus what here? Yes. Okay, this minus into minus become plus. U minus yes a by 2 in minus a. Yes, now it will be taken. A is a common here. Common is there or not in these two terms? Yes, that is why it will be written as 1 by 2. Yes, minus 1. Okay, clear or not? And as well as sorry, here what we have? N we have. Okay, this is also one of the formula. S and otherwise it is also written as A into S. Here what we written? Minus is a take common here totally. It will become plus. Now it will be written as n minus 1 by 2. U plus A into n minus 1 by 2. This is only formula. There is a minus I am taking common here. It will become u plus a into n minus 1 by 2. Yes, minus it is not valid. Change it here. A minus a by 2 or not? Minus 1 by 2. Minus a into 1 by 2. And as well as now automatically minus into minus become plus or not? That is only I am written. Nothing will be I am changing here. Yes, this is the become what n. N is equal to taken as what formula? A plus n minus 1 by 2. Yeah, it is also written as okay now. Yes, it is also written as 2n minus 1 by 2. It is also written as 2n minus 1 by 2. Yes, u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. Like that also may written. Or it is also written as u plus yes a by 2 into 2n minus 1. These are the yes the formulas we have to get it in. Okay, got it or not? There is two types of totally how many? 4 equations of motions are there. By using 4 equations of motion, it is possible to find the Yes, what is the initial velocity? What is the final velocity? What is the time taken for a traveling? Yes, what is the distance traveled by the body? These all the things may possible to get. Got it or not? I hope you got it. Please note down this. Note down this, and then after we close with the class. Thank you, students. And all the students, you have to should know the derivations, not only the formulas. At last, memorize the formulas, but derivations are also important only here. And up to fourth equation of motion. First is the v is equal to u plus at, s is equal to ut plus half at square, v square minus c square is equal to 2as, and as well as the last one, Sn is equal to u plus a into n minus 1 by 2 or u plus a by 2 into 2n minus 1. These formulas are very, very important. Four formulas are very, very important to solve all kinematical problems. Okay, now. Yes, it will become in a dynamics also sometimes. That's why everyone must and should compulsory memorize it. Yes, thank you, one and all.